Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to make a ginger lemon juice, at least tufukuza hii baridi. So I have already diced my lemon. Here is my ginger and here I have some sugar. So we'll use this to squeeze the lemon juice. Sikumbuki inaitwa aje. Is it a squeezer or what is it? Comment down below. So we'll squeeze our lemon using it. There we go. After squeezing the juice, this is the amount of the juice from the lemon. So we are going to put it. So remember we had some water. You add the liquid juice to the water. Turn on your gas. Then onto our ginger. We will put the amount of ginger. Then you add the ginger. The measurement of ginger, the lemon juice, and the water depends on the amount of the water you have and the amount you want to cook. For example, my lemon was so big, it was enough for me to use one. So our lemon ginger mixture stay up boiling. To complete boiling, now you can add some sugar. We are now adding sugar to our taste. At this point you can turn off your gas. Then sieve your ginger lemon mixture. There we go. Yes, and this is so sweet, so nice. Nafukuza common cold na baridi. Thank you.